Hello Christmas decorators around the world. In this video, let's dive into some fabulous Christmas front porch decorating ideas. Decorating your front porch for Christmas is a fantastic way to spread holiday cheer, not just within your home, but to your entire neighborhood. It's like rolling out the welcome mat, but with a festive twist. Plus, a well-decorated porch can set the tone for your entire holiday decor. Let's start with some classic ideas. You can't go wrong with a beautiful wreath on your front door. A traditional evergreen wreath adorned with red berries, pine cones, and a big red bow is timeless and inviting. For a more modern twist, consider a wreath made from eucalyptus or one with metallic accents. Adding a string of fairy lights to your wreath can make it sparkle, especially in the evening. Garlands are another staple. Draping garlands around your doorframe, windows, or railing adds a lush green touch. You can go with a classic pine garland, or mix in some magnolia leaves for a southern charm. Decorating your garland with ornaments, ribbons, and lights can elevate the look. For an extra cozy feel, intertwine some plaid or burlap ribbon. Now let's talk about lighting. Lights are essential for creating a magical Christmas atmosphere. String lights come in all sorts of styles, from classic white to colorful LEDs. Wrapping them around pillars, railing, or even framing your windows can create a stunning effect. Icicle lights hanging from the roof edge mimic the look of real icicles and add a touch of winter wonderland to your home. Don't forget about lanterns. Placing a few lanterns with LED candles on your steps or along your walkway can create a warm and inviting glow. If you have a porch swing or a bench, consider draping a cozy blanket over it and adding a couple of Christmas-themed pillows. This not only looks festive but also makes your porch a welcoming spot to enjoy a cup of hot cocoa. Speaking of pathways, lining your walkway with luminaries or small evergreen trees can guide your guests right to your door with festive flair. You can fill the luminaries with battery-operated candles or fairy lights for a safer alternative to real candles. Incorporating natural elements is a trend that's been gaining popularity. Think about using items like pine cones, holly branches, and even firewood stacks to decorate your porch. These elements bring a rustic, cozy feel that's perfect for Christmas. You can place pine cones in decorative bowls or scatter them around your lanterns. A basket of firewood by the door can be both practical and decorative, especially if you have a fireplace inside. For a touch of whimsy, consider adding some festive figures like reindeer, snowmen, or even a Santa Claus statue. These can be found in a variety of materials, from rustic wood to sleek metal, and can be illuminated for extra charm. A life-size nutcracker standing guard by your door can be a delightful surprise for guests and adds a classic holiday touch. If you have a covered porch, hanging ornaments can be a fun addition. Large, shatterproof ornaments can be hung from the ceiling or even from garlands. This adds depth and a playful touch to your decor. And don't forget about your windows. Window boxes filled with evergreen branches, ornaments, and fairy lights can be a beautiful sight from both inside and out. One of the biggest advantages of having a decorated front porch for Christmas is the sense of community it fosters. A well-decorated porch can bring joy to your neighbors and passersby, spreading the holiday spirit beyond your front door. It's also a great way to welcome guests into your home and make them feel the warmth and love of the season as soon as they arrive. Trends in Christmas porch decor vary, but there's a noticeable shift towards sustainability. Many people are choosing reusable or natural decorations. Recycled materials, DIY projects, and upcycling old decorations are popular choices. This not only reduces waste but also adds a personal touch to your decor. Another trend is the use of non-traditional colors. While red and green will always be classic Christmas colors, experimenting with blues, silvers, pinks, and even pastels can create a unique and stylish look. These colors can be integrated into your lights, ornaments, and ribbons. Minimalist designs are also trending. A few well-placed decorations can make just as big of an impact as an abundance of decor. A simple, elegant wreath, a few lanterns, and some well-placed lights can create a clean, modern look that's still very festive. For those who love a more vintage vibe, incorporating antique sleighs, old-fashioned skis, or ice skates can add a nostalgic touch to your porch. These items can often be found at flea markets or antique shops and can be repurposed into charming decor pieces. Another wonderful aspect of decorating your front porch for Christmas is the opportunity for family bonding. Involving your family in the decorating process can create lasting memories. Kids can help hang ornaments, place lanterns, or even make some DIY decorations. Crafting handmade ornaments, garlands, or even painting holiday signs together can be a fun and rewarding activity. These personal touches add warmth and uniqueness to your decor, making it truly special. Speaking of DIY projects, there are plenty of easy and creative ideas you can try. For instance, you can make your own garlands using popcorn, cranberries, or dried oranges. These natural elements not only look beautiful, but also add a nostalgic, homemade touch. Another idea is to create your own festive signs. A simple wooden board painted with a holiday message like Merry Christmas or Joy to the World can make a charming addition to your porch. Adding some twinkling lights or greenery around the sign can enhance its appeal. When it comes to choosing your decorations, think about the overall theme you want to create. Whether it's a winter wonderland with lots of white and silver, a cozy cabin feel with rustic elements, or a vibrant and colorful display, having a cohesive theme can make your decorations look more intentional and polished. Mixing different textures and materials, such as combining wood, metal, and fabric, can also add depth and interest to your design. Consider the practical aspects as well. If you live in an area that experiences a lot of wind or snow, make sure your decorations are securely fastened. Using heavy-duty hooks or zip ties can help keep your garlands and lights in place. Opt for weather-resistant materials to ensure your decorations last throughout the season. For instance, shatterproof ornaments and LED lights are durable options that can withstand the elements. Another tip is to utilize vertical space. If you have a tall porch or pillars, use them to your advantage by hanging decorations or wrapping them in lights and garlands. This draws the eye upward and makes your display more dynamic. Hanging baskets filled with greenery, pine cones, and ornaments can add an extra layer of decoration without taking up floor space. Your front door can be a focal point, so make it stand out. Besides a beautiful wreath, consider adding a festive doormat. There are plenty of holiday-themed doormats with fun messages or designs that can tie the whole look together. If you have a storm door or a screen door, you can even hang a smaller wreath or some bells on it for an added touch. For those who love a bit of sparkle, don't shy away from glitter and shine. Glittery ornaments, tinsel, and metallic accents can catch the light and add a festive glimmer to your porch. However, balance is key. Too much can overwhelm. So mix these shiny elements with more subdued, natural decorations to create a harmonious look. Including some festive sounds can also enhance the ambience. Hanging a set of sleigh bells on your door handle not only looks cute, but also adds a delightful jingle every time someone enters or leaves. You could also place a Bluetooth speaker discreetly on your porch and play some soft Christmas music to set the mood. Don't forget the scent of Christmas. While visual decorations are important, incorporating the scents of the season can create a fully immersive experience. Fresh pine garlands or wreaths, cinnamon sticks, and clove-studded oranges can infuse your porch with the delightful smells of Christmas. You can also use scented candles or essential oil diffusers if natural elements are not an option. Remember, decorating your front porch for Christmas is all about expressing your personal style and spreading holiday cheer. Whether you prefer a traditional, rustic look or a sleek, modern design, there are endless possibilities to make your porch festive and inviting. Have fun with it, get creative, and most importantly, enjoy the process of transforming your porch into a holiday wonderland. Happy decorating!